A very good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So here I am Anupma, your teacher from Vidya Baldhavan School. So my dear students, today I will teach you maths. In maths, we are doing exercise 3.7 and today we will solve rest of the question of exercise 3.7. Then after that, we will do let's recall point in filler form and revision exercise of chapter 3 subtraction. Okay, so let's start with exercise 3.7. Now open your book, notebook of maths, fair notebook, sharp your pencil and sit properly in proper manner and start today's work. Let's start. My dear students, as I told you, today we will solve rest of the question of exercise 3.7. Let us recall in form of fill-ups and revision exercise of chapter 3. Okay, so let's begin with exercise 3.7, question number 5. Okay, so here is question number 5. What's the difference between the smallest and the largest 4-digit number? So firstly, open page number 56, everyone. Open page number 56, exercise 3.7. We are doing question 5. What's the difference between the smallest and the largest 4-digit number? So we have to find that what is the difference between smallest and largest 4-digit number. Okay, so firstly tell me, what is the greatest 4-digit number? Solution. Here is the solution. Firstly we will write greatest 4-digit number. So before starting the question, you have to write today's date. Today is 7 July 2020, 7/7/2020. Then write down chapter 3. In next line you have to write down chapter name, subtraction, and in next line you have to write down exercise 3.7. Now write down here question 5. No need to write question, do solution only. Okay, so writing should be neat and clean and pencil should be sharp. So firstly we will write greatest 4-digit number, greatest or largest 4-digit number. So what is the greatest 4-digit number? Yes, greatest 4-digit number is 9999, and we have to find the difference between greatest and smallest. So what is the smallest 4-digit number? Now in next line we will write smallest 4-digit number, that is 1000. Okay, now we have to calculate difference of the greatest and smallest number. Okay, so how we can calculate the difference? For difference we have to subtract smallest number from greatest number. Okay, so we will arrange these number in column of thousand, hundred, tens and ones. So 9999 firstly we will write, then after that we will write 1000 and subtract 9 minus 0. As we know, 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 0 is 9, and in thousand column 9 minus 1 is 8. So the difference of the number is 8999. What is the difference? Yes, the difference of the number is 8909. This is the answer. Okay, question 5. Now question 6. Find by how much is 5240 greater than 3565. So we are doing question 6 right now. Here write down question 6. Okay, and solution. So firstly what we will do, we will write down greater number, that is 5240. So write down the greater number equal to 5240. Now then in next line we will write smaller number, that is 3565. The smaller number equal to 3565. Now we have to calculate how much is 5240 greater than 3565. So write down difference. Again we have to calculate difference of the number. Then we will find how much 5240 is greater than 3565. So arrange these number in column of thousand, hundred, tens and ones. Okay. Now start from right side in ones column. Subtract 5 from 0. So what we will do? We will take borrow from tens column from 4. Okay. So after giving 1, here's 3 left. Okay. So 0 become 1, 0, 10. So 10 minus 5, that is 5. Write 5 in ones column. Now here is 3 left. So again it is not possible to subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. So again we will take borrow from 100 column. Okay. So 3 become 1, 3, 13. So now we can subtract 13, 6 from 13. So when we subtract 13, when we take away 6 from 13, then we will get 7. Write down 7 in tens column. Now after giving 1 borrow, after giving 1, here is 1 left. So again it is not possible to subtract 5 from 1. So we will take borrow from 1000 column from 5. So here 4 left. Okay. And here 1 will become 1, 1, 11. So subtract 5 from 11. Here is left 6. Okay. So write 6 in 100 column. Now 4 is left here after giving 1. So 4 minus 3, that is 1. So we write 1 in 1000 column. So when we subtracted 3565 from 5240, we get the difference 1675. So 1675 is more than 3565. How much more than? Yes. So 5240 is 1675 more than 3565. So it was question 6. Now question 7. Now question 7 is 8,598 persons visited a book fair on the first 3 days of the week. If 2,317 and 1,675 persons visited the book fair on the first and second day respectively, how many persons visited the book fair on the third day? It means what we have to find? We have to find how many persons visited the book fair on the third day. So information given are 8,598 persons visited a book fair on the first 3 days of the week, and 2,317 and 1,617 persons visited the book fair on the first and second day. So solution is, firstly we will write number of persons visited on first day. How many persons visited on first day? 2,317 persons visited on first day. Now leave one line and write down number of persons visited on second day. So how many persons visited on second day? 1,675 persons visited on second day. Okay. Now we will add both days people. Total number of persons visited on first and second day, we will add them. Firstly, we will arrange in column of 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Now start from ones column. 7 plus 5, that is 12. So write 2 in ones column and 1 carry goes in tens column. Now 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So write 9 in tens column. Now add 100 column. Keep 3 in your mind and count 6. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write 9 in 100 column. Now 1000 column, 2 plus 1, that is 3. So 3992 person visited in 2 days. Okay. Now number of person visited on first 3 days. How many person visited on first 3 days? 8598. So we will write here number of persons visited on first 3 days are 8598, and total number of person visited on first and second day, that is we have calculated 3992. Okay. Now we will subtract this number from total number of persons. Okay. So number of person visited on the on the third day, that is we have to calculate. So we will subtract 3992 from 8598. So arrange these number in column of 1000, 100, tens and ones. So start subtracting. 8 minus 2, that is 6. So write 6 in ones column. Now 9 minus 9, that is 0. So write 0 in tens column. Now 5 minus 9, that is not possible. So we will take borrow from 8. So after giving borrow, here is 7 left. Okay. So it becomes 5 become 1, 5, 15. Now we can subtract 9 from 15. So here 6 is left. So write 6 in 100 column. And now 7 minus 3, that is 4. So write 4 in 1000 column. So total number of persons visited on the third day, that is 4606. Okay. So it was question 7. We have completed here exercise 3.7. Now we will do let us recall point. It is given on same page number 56. We will write here in Phillips form. Okay. So write down firstly date, today's date. Let us recall Phillips. So the answer to a subtraction problem is called the difference. Okay. While subtracting from 0, check the regrouping carefully. Third point is, for every addition fact, we all know that there are 2 subtraction facts. We can check subtraction by suitable addition. How we can check subtraction? By suitable addition. Okay. Fifth point is, we solve problems involving both addition and subtraction step by step. First we add, then subtract. And the last point is, we must use the problem solving steps to solve word problems. Okay. So these points you have to write neat and clean in your notebook. Okay. In form of Phillips. Now after let us recall point, we will do revision exercise. Revision exercise. Open revision exercise from back side, page number 15. Open your book from back side, page number 15. Subtraction. Set 1 we are doing. Okay, I am going to solve some important questions. You have to write down in your notebook. Okay, so write down here revision exercise, set 1, question 1. No need to write questions, you have to write down only solution. So read the question. Question 1 is, the money in Mudit's wallet is equal to the largest 3-digit number. Okay. He puts all the money he had in his money bank. How much money is left with him? So, money in Mudit's wallet is equal to the largest 3-digit number. Okay. So here we will write money in Mudit's wallet equal to, what is the largest 3-digit number? That is 999. So we will write here 999. Now he put all the money in his money bank. So 999, because he has 999 money and he put all the money in his money bank. Now money left with him. So 999 minus 999, that is 0. So he had no money left with him. Now question 4. Adya and Arna went for shopping. Adya bought 243 chocolates for kids. Arna bought 65 less than Adya. How many chocolate did Arna buy? Now firstly we have to find here how many chocolate did Arna buy. And information given is Adya bought chocolates how many? 243. Arna bought less than Adya, how many less than? 65. So Arna bought chocolates 243 minus 65. This is the wrong spelling of chocolate. Correct it. Write here O. Number of chocolate did Arna buy? So we have to calculate number of chocolate did Arna buy. So what we will do? We will subtract 65 from 243. Arrange number in column of 100, tens and ones. 243 minus 65. So we cannot subtract 5 from 3. So we will take borrow. It will become 1 3 13. Now we subtract 5 from 13. So 8 is left. Write 8 in ones column. Now here is 3 left. It is not possible again to subtract 6 from 3. So again we will take borrow from 100 column. Now it will become 1 3 13 and here 1 left. So subtract 6 from 13. 7 is left. Write 7 in tens column. Now 1 is left here. Write down 1. So 178 chocolates Arna bought. We will write here last statement. Arna bought 178 chocolates. It was question 4. Now we will do question 5. In a shop, Tanu observed that a sandwich is cheaper than a pizza. If the price of a pizza is 200 rupees, which is 35 rupees more than sandwich, then what is the price of a sandwich? So what we will do? Firstly, we will write information that is given. The price of pizza equal to 200. The price of sandwich 200 minus 35. So arrange the number in 100, tens and ones column. 200 minus 35. So it is not possible again to subtract 5 from 0. We will take borrow from tens column. Now here is also 0. So what we will do? We will take borrow from 100 column. Now after giving 1, here is 1 left. Now here 0 will become 10. Now after giving 1, here is 9 left. Okay. So 0 will become here 10. Now 10 minus 5, that is 5. Write down 5 here. 9 minus 3, that in 100 column we have left 1, so write 1 here. In 100 column we have left 1, so write 1 here. So the price of a sandwich is 165. Okay. Now question 6 is Suresh walks 3180 meter every morning. He is not feeling well today and has walked 1789 meter less. Find out total distance covered by Suresh today. So firstly we will write down information is given. Suresh walk every morning 3180 meter. Suresh walked today 3180 minus 1789. Okay, so we will do subtraction. We will subtract 1789 from 3180. So arrange the number in 1000, 100, tens and ones column. So 0 minus 9, it is not possible. We will take borrow from tens column. So after giving 1 here is 7 left. Now 0 will become 10. 10 minus 9, that is 1. So write here 1. Now 7 minus 8 is not possible, so we will take borrow from 100 column. It will become 1 7 17, and here is 0 left. So 17 minus 8, that is 9. So write 9 in tens column. Now 0 minus 7 is not possible, so we will take borrow from 3. So after giving 1, here is 2 left, and 0 will become 1 0 10. Now 10 minus 7, that is 3. So write 3 in 100 column. Now 2 is left here. 2 minus 1 is 1. So Suresh walked 1391 meter today. It was question 6. Question 7 is, Gopi is suffering from high fever. When the doctor checks him, he finds out that Gopi's heartbeat is 110 per minute. If a normal human heart beats 72 times in a minute, find out how many more times is Gopi's heart beating every minute. So in solution we will write down Gopi's heart beats in a minute equal to 110, that is given in this question, per minute. Okay, normal human heart beats 72, okay, in a minute. So difference between the beating of heart, 110 minus 72. Okay, so we will subtract 72 from 110. So 0 minus 2, that is not possible. We will take borrow from here. After giving 1, here is 0 left. So 10 minus 2, 0 will become 10. 10 minus 2, that is 8. So write 8 in ones column. Now here is 0 left. So we will take borrow from 100 column. So 0 will become 10. 1 0 10. Now 10 minus 7, that is 3. So write 3 in tens column, and 0 is left here. So Gopi's heart is beating 38 times more than normal heart. Okay. So here question 7 is done, and you have to complete all these work in your Fair School notebook. This is your homework also. You have to do this all work in your school fair notebook in clean writing. Okay, work should be in clean writing, neat and clean. I hope you understood exercise 3.7 revision exercise, and let us recall point. Thank you.